Hey, it's Tim here with Expert Power Wash in Portland, Oregon. Hey, I wanted to talk about mounting a ladder rack and a vise to a pressure wash and flatbed truck. So let's take a look. We'll start back here. This little deal that we have back here. If you guys look at my other videos, I talked about this. It was from tricktools.com, but the way that it's mounted in here is kind of a neat little deal. So got a little T-bar. So if you try to pull this pin out, well, I guess it came out. But if you tighten these things in, I think it probably had them loose, but yeah, that's loose. Anyhow, if you tighten these in really good, it makes it so the pin can't be pulled out. So probably a little overbuilt, but that's all right. And then this comes in from the side. We'll loosen this up. Go into this other one. I'll leave that in there. But if you take a look at this, this is going to be the plate for mounting the vise. This just comes right out. Looks like I probably need to get something on there to stop the rust. But if I want to take the vise off, I can take this off and then just put it in my garage. But this just goes in here. Put this in here. So, I won't walk you through putting this all back together. I'll come back to it. But let me show you the ladder rack. I'm going to jump up here on the truck bed. Show you the ladder rack here. So this is just so it's like a goal post here. And I'll come up with something to try to stop it from moving. But this thing is actually pretty secure. It's not really going anywhere. But if I want to pop my ladder rack off here, just pull this out. And it's just a 2-inch receiver down there, welded in. And it just drops right back in there. So got myself a ladder rack. These ratchet tie downs, these came from Amazon. They're about 50 bucks. I'm gonna put them, holes already drilled right here for one set. And then if you wanna come around over to the other side here, I'll show you the headache rack that we had over here. So this thing's pretty stout here. So we had some other little deal that was on here before, and it was pretty terrible looking. So again, we'll just put the ladder tie down straps, we'll drill it into here. I have this. And yeah, we're getting this thing kind of all put together. This is kind of like a little bit of a preview. So I got a 55-gallon vertical tank in here, and then I got the 200-gallon water dragon tanks. It comes with all stainless steel hardware. It's mounted on plates down at the bed. And then while we're talking about the bed here, if anybody has tried that Raptor liner stuff's really, really good. You can kind of look at the bed, get a close up of the bed here. This stuff came out maybe a little bit too close there. This stuff came out really, really nice. And if you probably heard my foot stepping on this stuff, it's, you know, it's flexible. You know, it's not going to crack or anything when you push down on it. So yeah, that's kind of what we're doing. I'll walk you around the other side here. So excited to get this thing all kind of put together. Again, this is, you know, more so about the vise and the ladder rack, but just why I have you guys here. This is a little soft wash box that we're building. Everything's kind of just all thrown in. You can see there's a cord in there. There's a charger. Haven't figured out where I'm going to mount this yet, but it's going to have its own onboard charger. Maybe up there, maybe to the side. But we'll take it back. We'll take a look at the back of this thing. I'll go ahead and just turn it here real quick. But I wanted to make something that was kind of quick disconnect. So we got some banjos on each side. So one will run up to the hose reel. One will run to the proportioner. So this is going to be a neat little deal. And then these aluminum toolboxes that you get on Amazon, just a little tip, they are exactly the size to mount a Titan full frame hose reel on the top. So and then here So there's going to be soft wash reel on top of here, and then there's going to be 2 electric stacked hose reels right in this area here. I got to do some plumbing today. I'm going to tie these 200-gallon tanks in. So I'll put some bulkheads in the bottom of that and tie that in. But yeah, that's the truck build so far. All right, guys, have a great day.